Okay, so this is the Ford lawnmower night video. You can see our tire is different. Okay, so you see that huge gap right there? It's pretty big, isn't it? And now look at this one. It's like an inch from the frame. And then, okay, so what we did to do this, just telling you how to do it, is all we did was take the tire off and turn it around and put it back on.
We'll show you.
And that made it a lot better. Do the job, Hiram.
Impact.
That's it.
Now you gotta do a pattern.
Hey, that tire's done.
And show you guys. Sorry for the cords. We're outside in the dark. It's like 9 o'clock.
It's like, yeah, 10 o'clock. Now you gotta do this side.
Protection, don't lose those. Then you pull this off. Like that.
And then you can see your axle and stuff, and then you just swap the tire around, and that's it. We got to line all the holes up because this tire is like 50 pounds. Pretty heavy, huh?